Namaskar, Khush और बिटियाओं. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Session name Fashion Marketing Research. Fashion marketing research is the management of advertising campaign, promotion to sale fashion brand and product. Although when the most people think about the fashion industry, they immediately think of fashion design, but there is a actually so much more that need to happen in order for latest design to get the customers who will wear them. Designers need to get their creation in the front of right customer in a way that make those people want to buy them. Basically, fashion marketing research is totally depend on consumer research. Researcher must be know the facts about the consumer choice, their taste, their selling activity, previous data related to consumers. Designer need to get their creation in front of right customer in a way that make those people want to buy them. When people buy, when they like to purchase the product and they prefer the product. The effort required to present fashion product in a way that appeal to potential customer is called fashion marketing. It is vital part of the business side of fashion. Fashion marketing is a complex process. Without understanding the fashion marketing and need, designer products are fail in the market. So, consumer research is very important and very mandatory in the fashion marketing research. So, before production making, agents and the higher researcher research the consumer market, target customer for the purpose of sale. How marketing influence design? When you are entered in the t-shirt market, you must be know about which country people want to purchase more t-shirts. If you already know this fact, you are able to sell the t-shirt product. Example, US customers are purchase more t-shirts as compared to other countries. Britain customers are purchase free sizes garment because of the anthropometry is different in Britain. Now, how marketing influence design? Although a fashion marketer is not a fashion designer, not fashion marketers, it still influence the product and design of fashion brand. The fashion marketer understands fashion trend, their business impact, what style are selling best, which are not. Fashion marketing is not only about promoting the work of fashion designer, it can also influence the design based on the business performance and market trend. How marketing influence design? When consumer need to purchase and they are continuously purchase. I already give you the example related to marketing influence design. If the customers already purchase, so the products are applicable there and the sale is increases and the market trend is balanced. What does a fashion marketer do? In the fashion research, what does a fashion marketer do? क्या करना चाहिए फैशन मार्केटर को? A fashion marketing manager wear many hats. What might a fashion marketer do on a day to day basis? उसको अपनी रूटीन में क्या करना चाहिए जिससे उसे पता चले कि कैसे सेल को इंक्रीज़ किया जा सकता है, कैसे ब्रांड को स्टैब्लिश किया जा सकता है और टारगेट मार्केट को कैसे ढूंढा जा सकता है. मार्केट रिसर्च एंड मीडिया प्लानिंग एज वेल एज ब्रांडिंग, प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले, ad, creative photography all fall within the preview of fashion marketing. Whenever you want to purchase or whenever you want to sell the product in the fashion market, you must be design the good product, prepare their brand image, good display in the advertisements, creative photography, advertisement, and all this preview in the fashion marketing. If you not properly preview, you will not found the target market and sales. Fashion marketer may also be involved in the public relation. When the fashion marketer go international or national market, they will make and he and she will make relation with the local retailers, consumers through the survey, because it is needed for the increasing or the increase of the sale. Read on for a few key responsibility of the fashion marketer. After discussion, what is fashion marketer do? Now we will classify the responsibility of fashion marketer. Marketer research analysis. First, market research analysis. First, fashion marketer analyze the fashion market research. Knowing who you are selling to Victor, first step any kind of marketing, fashion marketer must be able to perform qualitative and quantitative research into fashion trend and the lives and the behavior of the people who may purchase fashion product. Market research is presented and used to make important decisions about fashion design and business activity. When a fashion marketer and fashion researcher enter in the market, he and she analyze qualitative and quantitative the data, and he is checking and he was checking for the target market how much people want to purchase the product and which product most likely by the consumers. Brand design development. Fashion marketers are charged with creating the story behind the brand so the customers can relate personally and see themselves wearing designs, logos, copy, imagery all need to stay in the line with the image and lifestyle that a fashion brand represent and create. Basically, the fashion marketer analyze the market, analyze the customers, and fashion marketer also prepare the image of product as brand, their logo, their tag, their label, everything will be as a brand, design as a brand. People like to wear, people like to purchase. Sometimes advertisement is so much effective. Example, um Adidas Wing shoes. In 2018 or 17, Adidas prepared a shoes, Adidas Wing shoes for the girls customers or the female customers. Girls are personally like the wing shoes because girls like the fairy tales. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.